Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will be sharing with you guys all my celebrations regarding my 29th birthday. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So I'm just getting to the hotel. I'm not meant to check in yet. It's about 11 a.m. so I just want to see if they've started setting up. I want to blow up the balloons, and then I think my makeup artist will be here around 11:30, 12. My cake should be arriving soon, so yeah, just about to go into the hotel now. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, this is so sweet. I don't actually know. Sure. Exciting stuff. Ooh. I'm here arriving for the birthday thing, so I want to see if they've already set up and what's happening, what's the vibe. I'm so excited. So I reserved this area for the lunch. I'm so excited. So they're setting up. I'm going to take you guys through. So this is going to be the stand where will be welcome drinks, and then here it will be the table where we will eat. And then here will be the buffet, and then there will be the cake stand. So there's a cake stand. Excited.
7th floor.
Let's see. 7th floor. Now heading up to my hotel room. So the hotel is quite spacious, big. The bed was comfortable. It has a couch, table, and a chair for outside. And it has such an amazing view. And this is why I wanted this hotel. It's the view for me. It's the view. And that's where my celebration is. Yeah. Makeup preps. And voila, your girl is ready. Birthday girl. Thank you. The girl is ready. Hair done, makeup done. We're all dressed up and ready to rock. Yes, honey. Yes. Ndolè or not. The cake is here. I'm so excited to see what they did with the picture that I sent them. Can't wait. Okay, for protection. The big cake reveal. Ah! Yes! Whoa! Oh, stunning. They did an amazing job. I love this cake. They exceeded my expectations. Thank you. How cute. Thank you.
It's in Bali, not very far from Aqua. Do you know Bali? I'm
Yeah,
sure you know.
I know Bali.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
You even know downtown.
The last of your 20s, but not the least. Happy birthday. Let's see. Love the cute table setup.
Your makeup, I don't know why you're saying it's dramatic. But
I think it's because I'm not used to. Yeah. And this is what's on today's menu. Thank you. Come.
Easy. I just feel like what it's a bit different.
You prefer? Oui. No, it's okay. This is what I had. The first plate. Yeah, I had a couple.
Oh, they take a selfie.
I think this one is going to be actually great. Okay, baby girl, show us the stuff.
Cheers, 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 cheers. Oh wow, I don't like mixing here.
Own addiction. Ching ching.
Oh, it's the same.
There's no way. Like how after the ego, while I'm pulling the gate.
Happy birthday to you, Yonella. Happy birthday to you.
This was an inside joke. Jeff and I speak his close up because, well, I come to as you. Ching, ching, ching. Happy birthday to me. In spirit, in spirit. Wow, guys, the cake was as delicious as it looks. Soft, yummy. Yo, so good. That Bristol is home. He lives in, but he's always in Aqua, like every day. Like that's where he's spending his life. No, for enjoyment, for life. You are the founder. I like.
Inshallah.
I'm sure you don't.
Alors, Google. La cigarette, c'est pas comme le cigare, parce que le cigare a trois parties.
Cigarette is not
Voilà.
like cigar because cigar has 3 parts.
On appelle ça
This is a cigar lesson.
le foin.
My translator. Maria, assist the Maria, assist with the translation, please. No. Okay. Guys, I'm actually cramping and I don't know why. I'm cramping and I'm just doing this to relieve the cramps. Bye. The end of the night. I'm going to the hotel. I don't want to get rid of this face, but I mean, I'm so cute though. Catch you guys up tomorrow. Yeah. It's my freaking birthday. Me. Bring out the champagne, darling. Oopa. Oh my goodness. So mad. It's my freaking birthday. Hey. Guys, it's no longer my birthday. My birthday is finished. I'm checking out from Sawa Hotel. So sad. So sad. But yeah, it has been absolutely amazing. My peeps showed up and it was just a jump, hey? It was a jump. Loved it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You know what to do. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. I don't even know what they're saying, but you know what? We're good.